What's the meaning of Aran sweater? Aran sweater. Aran sweater.
Aran sweater. Aran sweater. An Aran sweater is a traditional Irish sweater that originates from the Aran Islands off the west coast of Ireland. It is made from wool and features distinctive cable patterns, often with specific meanings such as family heritage or village identity. The sweater became popular in the early 20th century when it was worn by fishermen to keep warm at sea. Today, Aran sweaters are known for their beauty, warmth, and connection to Irish heritage, and are often worn as a fashion item by people all over the world.